Okay. So we answered the question 3 with Muhammad Samer, guys. Here, after we did, the remainder is a 3. Because we have decimal, we add 0. We did it, the remainder is 6. Because we have decimal, we keep adding zeros, guys, until we find the remainder 0. So if you have remainder not 0 in this idea, always add 0 beside it, then continue until you find your answer. But when we add 0, it's a condition. If we have decimal in the quotient, if we don't have decimal in the quotient, we add a decimal, then we add 0. We did that before. So this is the idea of the question 3. I'll move to the next one. Adam.
Mr. Page, what?
Do you have questions in the homework, Ibni?
Uh, oh no.
No.
Page what?
Our lesson is page 455, lesson 13.
55, okay.
Yeah. Now we are done on dividing. I will do question 1 and 2 also, guys, for the students maybe they didn't understand yet or they didn't follow us yesterday. So I'm still on the homework of yesterday. I will do question 1 and the question 2 and check your answers, guys. Question 1 in page 447. We are on page 447. We are on the homework of yesterday. We did a question 3. We'll do question 1 and the question 2 for the students there. Question 1, 223 decimal 6 divided by 40. 223 decimal 6 divided by 40. Okay? 223 decimal 6 divided by 40. Now I will do long division. 223 decimal 6 divided by 40. Now, can the 2 divided by 40? No. 22 also no. 223. If you remember, when we have big numbers, we guess and check. Yesterday we said we'll do the normal steps of division, but when we get the decimal, we put it up. This is the only difference. So let's guess number. Let's guess 5. 5 by 40, it is 200. And 6 by 40, it is 240. 240 is bigger than 223. So I will take 5. 5 by 40, 200. Subtract, here is 3, here 2. And 2 minus 2, 0. Now I will go to get the 6 down, but I have decimal, I put it up. So I will get the 6 down, 236. 236. Look here, guys. 245. 5 by 40, 200. Subtract 36. Right? Now 36 less than 40, so I'm good. But because we have decimal, we can add 0 and continue. We can add 0 and continue. I will guess 9. 9 by 40. 9 by 0, 0. 9 by 4, 36. Look here and look here. 360, 360. So here I'll put 9. 9 by 40, 360 minus R0. Now, the answer is 5.59. 5.59. This is question 1, page 447. Question 1, page 447, if you didn't understand it. I'll do question 2 also. Question 2 in the same page, 447. 8.14 divided by 20. It's important question. 8.14 divided by 20. 8.14 divided by 20. Now let's make long division and put our numbers. 8.14 divided by 20. Now focus here, guys, it's important. Now can the 8 divided on 20? No, 8 is less than 20. So I will go and take the one with it. But while I'm going to take the one, I have what? The decimal. Put it up. Don't forget that. Okay. Again, 8 is less than 20. So I will go and take the one with it. But while I'm going to take the one, I have the decimal. I put it up. Now I have 81. 81. I get rid of the decimal. I already put it up. Now 81 divided by 20 is 4. 4 by 20 is 80. Subtract. 81 minus 80 is 1. Now get the 4 down beside it. It is 14. 14 less than 20. If we get a number down and the number here is less than the divisor, we put 0 in quotient. We put 0 in quotient, right? Now, this remainder now, it becomes remainder. Because we have decimal, we can add 0. Now, 140 divided by 20 is 7. 7 by 20, 140. Subtract 0. So what's the answer? Here we have empty place. We can add 0 also here. So what's the answer? 0.407. 0.407. This is a question 2 in page 447. This is a question 1 in the same page. And this is question 3. Check your answers, guys, and don't leave mistakes, please. I'll give you 1 minute. Okay. Now we'll go to our new lesson. Our new lesson, which is divide decimals, page 455, lesson 13, guys. Prepare your box there, please. Divide decimals. Divide decimals. Now, look here. Yesterday, guys, we divide something like this. 6 point. Let's take example. Let's take example. 6.75 divided by 4.5. 6.75 divided by 45. Focus with me, guys. It's important. This is decimal, and this has no decimal. This is decimal, and this has no decimal. So this we call it whole number. Yesterday, we divide in whole number. We said we can make long division, 6.75, and here 45, and we do normal steps, but once we get the decimal, we put it in the quotient. This is the work of yesterday. What if the divisor has a decimal? What if the divisor has a decimal? So both will be decimals now. Both will be decimals, okay? Now, if we divide on decimal, guys, focus please. We make long division. And we put the dividend here, 6.75, and here 4.5. And focus with me here, how we will deal with decimals. Now, in the division, guys, in the division, this is the dividend, and this is the divisor. This is the dividend, and this is the divisor. In the divisor, it should have no decimal, so we can divide. In the divisor, it should has no decimal, so we can divide. But here I have decimal, so I need to get rid. أتخلص من أشيلها هذه الديسيمال. We need to get rid of the decimal. Now, to get rid of the decimal in the divisor, we need to push to the right always. Now, how many digits I need to push to the right to get rid of the decimal here? I have only 1 digit. So here I push the decimal 1 digit to the right. It becomes here in front of 5. But in the division here, guys, if we do something here, we will do the same thing here. If we do something in the divisor, we need to do the same thing in the dividend. Here I'll push one digit, so here I'll push also one digit. Now we have new numbers. We have new numbers. What are the new numbers? Look, here the decimal will be after 5. It's 4, 5 decimal. And here the decimal will be between 7 and 5. 6, 7 decimal 5. Now, this decimal has nothing after it, so no need for it. Now we have new numbers. Look here and look here. Again, this is the question. This is the question. We cannot divide if we have decimal in the divisor. So we need to get rid of the decimal in the divisor. How? By pushing the decimal to the right always, not to the left. To the right, one digit. One digit. If we have 2 digits, we will push 2 digits. But here we have 1 digit, so I'll push it 1 digit. If we do something in the divisor, we will do the same thing in the dividend. بصيرش أعمل هون وما أعملش هون. Okay? Now here I push 1 digit to the right, so here I'll push 1 digit to the right also. Now we have new numbers. This decimal will be between 7 and 5. Here it is. And this decimal will be after 5. After 5 and nothing after it, so no need to write it. No need to write it. Now what we have here, guys, we have decimal divided by whole number. Decimal divided by whole number, which is the lesson of yesterday. Now, can the 6 divide on 45? No. 67 divide on 45? Yes. If you guess 2 by 45, it's 90. So I will guess 1. 1 by 45, 45. I'll do normal division now. Once we get the decimal, we put it up. Now subtract. 7 minus 5 is 2. 6 minus 4 is 2. Now put the decimal up and get the 5 down. 225 divided by 45. Let's guess numbers. Let's guess numbers. Let's guess numbers. I will guess 4. 4 multiply 45. 4 by 5, 20. 4 by 4, 16. With 2, 18. 180, 225. 180, 225. I will guess 5. 5 by 5, 25. 5 by 4, 20. With 2, 22. 225, 225. So I'll put 5 here and do my steps. 5 by 45, 225, subtract 0. So again, guys, in the division, if the divisor has a decimal, we cannot divide. We need to get rid of this decimal by pushing this decimal 1 digit to the right to make it here. But if we do something here, we need to do the same thing here. بصيرش أعمل push هنا وما أعملش هنا. If you push 1 digit in the divisor, you need to push 1 digit in the dividend. 2 digits, 2 digits. 3 digits, 3 digits. So the dividend depends on the divisor, okay? So here I push 1 digit here and 1 digit here. We have new numbers now. The 4.5 becomes 45. 6.75 becomes 67.5. Now we have decimal divided by whole number, and we make normal steps like yesterday. This is the idea of dividing decimal. I will give you another example. And please, guys, focus. So this number divided by this number, the answer is 1.5. 1.5. I will give you another example. Another example. 0.06 divided by 1.5. Focus, guys. 0.06 divided by 1.5. Now let's make our numbers here. Now here the divisor has a decimal. The divisor has a decimal. I want someone to talk with me, please. Hamza.
Yes, mister.
Hamza, can we divide if the divisor has a decimal?
No.
We cannot. So here the divisor has a decimal. How I will get rid of this decimal?
We put the decimal one step forward.
Good boy. We push it to the right one digit. It will be in front of the 5. But if we do something here, we need to do the same thing here, right?
Yes.
So here you push one digit to the right. So here also you need to push what? One digit to the right.
To the
Right?
right. Yeah.
Now we have a new numbers. What's this number will be? The divisor.
15.
It will be
15
1,
and then decimal.
5,
Then
and the
decimal.
decimal. But this decimal has nothing here. Do we need it?
No.
No need. Erase it. The division comes down. Here, what's this number will be?
0, 0, decimal 6.
Mumtaz. But here we have 2 zeros. Do we need them?
No.
We need only 1 0, so no need for this 0, right?
Yeah.
Now we have a new numbers. Make long division. 0.6. And here what we have? 15, Mishek. Now, 0.6, this is decimal and this is whole number, Mishek.
Yes.
Can we divide or we cannot divide?
We cannot divide.
Why?
Because the 0 is less than the 15.
We take 6, مش مشكلة, but now can we divide? Is the divisor has a decimal?
Yes. I mean,
Where?
no.
No, ما في decimal. So if the divisor has no decimal, we can divide. But here the divisor has a decimal. We cannot divide. We get rid of it. Got it?
Yes.
Yeah. Now here let's make normal division like yesterday. We have decimal and whole number. Now can the 0 divide in 15?
No.
Stop. I will go to take what?
The 6.
But we have what in our way?
The decimal. So we're going to put the
it up.
decimal up.
Good. Now, can the 6 divide by 15?
Can the 6 divide by 15? No.
Come on, no. صح? So at this case, what we put up?
0.
0. 0 multiply 15. 0, مشيك؟ Subtract.
Yes.
6 minus 0. 6.
6.
Now, the remainder is 6, right, Mr.?
Yes.
Because we have decimal, we can add what here?
0.
Yeah, 60 divided by 15, guess 4. 4 multiply 15 is?
20. I
لا
mean
يا
60.
ابني.
60.
60 minus 60 is 0. Now, what's the answer? Here we have empty place. What we fill it?
0.
0. So what's the answer? 0.04. Got it?
Get it.
Goodbye. I'll give you another example, guys. Another example. Another example. It's important idea. We cannot divide if the divisor has a decimal, this number, the second number. If it has decimal, we cannot divide. We need to get rid of the decimal. Now, if you do something here, you will do the same thing here. So the first step, get rid of the decimal, then make long division. So let's take another example. Another example, 6.89 divided by 1.3. 6.89 divided by 1.3. Who can help me here? يلا غسان.
Yes, mister.
يلا يا غسان. What's the first step?
We put the decimal after the 3.
Good. So we'll go to the divisor. We check, do we have decimal or we don't
Yes.
have decimal? Now here we have decimal, so we cannot divide. I need to push the decimal. How many digits to the right?
1.
1 digit. So here we push it 1 digit. It will be after the 3. But if we do something here, we will do the same thing here. Here we push
Yes.
1 digit. So here I need to do what?
Push 1 digit too.
Also. So here I will push 1 digit. What's this number will be?
13.
13. And what's this number will be?
68.9.
Excellent. Right? Now, here I have 68.9, and here we have whole number. We'll do like yesterday, right?
Yes.
68.9 divided by 13. And now we will do normal division. 68 divided by 13. Let's guess what?
3.
Guess 3. It will be 39. Now, guess up. 5. Let's guess 5. 5 by 13. 5 by 3, 15. 5 by 1, 5 with 1, 6. 65, 68, it's near. So here I will put 5.
Okay.
5 by 13, 65, subtract 3. Now I will go and
Now
take the
put the
9,
decimal
right?
up.
We put the
Put the
decimal
decimal
up
up.
before and put the 9 down. 39 divided
Yes.
by 13 is a 3. If you guess a 3 by 13, it is 39, the same. So here 3 multiply 13, 39, subtract 0, done. Got it?
Yes.
Top, good. Now all of you guys, remove your hands. All of you. All of you, remove your hands from the screen here in front of me, please. Now, if you don't understand the idea, guys, put your hands. If you don't understand the idea, put your hands. It's important. Ahmed Hamdi.
Yes, Mr.
Yes, ya Ahmed.
I don't understand if the divisor or the dividend is 0.
Where?
In the question 0.6, 0.0.
This one?
Yeah.
Yeah, this one. Here, this is the question, right? Look
Yeah,
at the
right.
board here. This is the question. The divisor has a decimal, Mishak.
Yeah.
Can we divide if the divisor has a decimal?
No.
So I need to get rid of the decimal. We push 1 digit to the right, Mishak.
Yeah.
But if we do something in the divisor, we will do the same thing in the dividend.
Yes.
So here I push 1 digit. Also here I need to push 1 digit.
And we will remove the zeros.
Exactly. Here the 1.5, it becomes what?
15.
And 0.06, it becomes 0.6. Mishak.
Yeah.
Look, it becomes 0.6. صح?
صح.
Here we have 2 zeros. No need for the 2 zeros beside each other before the decimal. 1 0 is enough.
Why we don't erase it all?
It will be empty. It will be empty. Empty, yeah. There is nothing if you erase it all, right?
Right.
So don't erase it all. We have empty place, fill it with 0.
Okay.
Then we divide long division. 0 cannot divide by 15. We will go to take the 6, but we have decimal on our way, so I put it up, right?
Right.
Now, can the 6 divide on 15?
No.
So we put 0 in the quotient, right?
Right.
0 by 15, 0. 6 minus 0 is?
6.
But because we have decimal, yesterday we said we can
Then we
add
put
0
0.
beside the remainder. 60 divided by 15 gives 4. 4 by 15, 60. Subtract 0. Do you understand it?
Yeah.
Here also, do you understand it?
Yeah, and then you understand it.
Good boy. Thank you. طيب. Hamza.
Yes, Mister.
Yes, يا حمزة.
I didn't understand the question that the one that I did it. The question
Which
that
one?
the question that I did it. Yeah, this one, the second one. Yeah, I
طب,
didn't.
we talked about
I didn't understand how we added the 60.
يلا. I will do it again. Look here. يلا. Let's make long division. مش هيك؟
Yes.
Yeah, tell me the steps. You tell me the steps. يلا.
Okay.
Tell the steps يا ابني. What I will do? Tell me.
Yeah, first of all, we put the decimal up.
Because 0 cannot divide on 15. You will go to take 6. The decimal in your way, you put it up, مش هيك?
Up, yes.
Now 6 divided by 15, how much? 6 is less than 15, right?
Yeah, we can. So we put
So
0.
put 0. 0 by 15, 0.
Zero.
Subtract 6, مش هيك?
Yes.
But because we have decimal, we can add 0 beside the 6. Yesterday we said that.
Yes.
Now 60 divided by 15, you need to guess numbers, مش هيك?
Yes.
Guess numbers, it will be 4. 4 by 15, 60. Subtract 0. Here we have empty place now. Do we leave it empty?
No, we put 0.
Do you understand it now?
Yes.
Goodbye. This one.
This one? Yes, I understand it.
Good boy. Now let's go to guys. By the way, this example is a question 1, page 456. I did the question 1, page 456, this one. Now we'll go to page 457, guys, and we do some exercises together. Page 457, we will start with the question 2. And I want someone to solve it with me. 0.66 divided by 0.3. No, I want someone to solve it with me. Yal, who can help me with this question? Jalal.
Yes, Mr.
Yalla ya Jalal. Tell me.
Okay, no problem. That's easy.
Yalla,
First,
tell me. Don't talk too much, Habibi. Yalla.
this number, yes. The decimal, remove it one digit. Move it one digit.
Where?
Forward. In the second
Where?
number.
Where? We have two numbers. Where?
0.3. Go to it.
Focus, Habibi. This we call it divisor. This we call it dividend. The divisor should has no decimal. Got it?
Yeah. I know.
So here I push one digit to the right. You said that, Mishek.
Yes.
Then
the same thing to the dividend.
excellent. If we do something here, we need to do the same thing here. So here we push one digit. Here also we need to push one digit. Now we have the new numbers. What are the new numbers? This number will be what?
0.3 decimal.
Do we need this decimal?
No, erase it.
Do we need this 0?
Yes.
0 to the left. Read this number. What's this number?
No.
So this number becomes a 3. The division comes down. What's this number will be?
0.6.
Good. Do we need this 0?
No.
Erase it. This is the first step before we divide. So guys,
and of
copy
course
the
we need the
quote.
decimal.
What?
And of course we need the decimal.
Yeah, sure. Now copy these numbers under the question, guys. You have this empty place down. So put these numbers under the question and put the arrows in your book like this, so you understand. Put the arrows. Now we have a new numbers. Let's take long division now. 6.6 divided by 3. Yalla ya Jalal.
It can be 6 divided by 3, so that equals 2.
2 by 3, 6.
6.
Subtract 0. We have decimal. Put it up. Put the 6 down, right?
Yeah.
6 on a 3, also 2. 2 by 3, 6. Subtract 0. So what's the answer?
2 decimal 2. 2 decimal 2.
So you will go to your question after the equal and put 2 decimal 2.
So
Copy, guys.